right fork of the Holly River in Guardian, almost cresting over here. It is up in the county road in a couple spots I've noticed. It gets up in the road right here. Look at how close. I'd like to get the Sheilas. I don't know if I can. I think it's up in the county road a little bit down here. I'm not going to drive through this. Let's park here and show you. A little bit deeper. River even smells like mud when you stand here. Here it's really up in the road here. This is right below the bridge in Guardian. Right here's the low water bridge the other side. Over to the farm, the airport as we call it. Can't even see the falls up there. I'll walk over there and get a video of it. Normally the waterfall is right there in the center of the screen. It's about a 3-foot high drop under normal conditions, but it's disappeared with all the high water. Just shaking that tree. This is up at Ferris Run, south of Guardian. This is along State Route 15, close to the Braxton-Webster line. The river's almost about to get up in the road here. Every once in a while, one of these low-hanging branches gets caught in this current effect here. See if I can catch this ball floating down the river here. Right there, basketball. Wait, there we go. See how fast that's moving. It's almost out of its banks here, which is rare. Another foot it'd be up in the yard. And it's still rising. I could tell from different spots the water keeps coming up. The rain has stopped though, so eventually it's going to recede here. Probably in the next couple hours. Just to show you how it's starting to creep up over the bank right here. This holly tree, which is easily a couple hundred years old, has a lot of initials in it. DW, VW. EW is the most interesting. That's Elza Williams. He was born in the 1800s. It's going to be hard to see, but right there you could see it's carved in the black spot. You can't see the 1902. 1902 this was carved. I've just moved back from where those carvings on that double holly tree there. Is the river starting to flood right next to it. These are some old hollies here. This one's much bigger. 200-year-old tree easily.